guys, welcome back to I Am Naidu's Time for Food. Today we're going to be working on a creation that was inspired by a spicy palette on Instagram. So today's creation is very similar to a sandwich that you would find as street food in India, and my husband loves this recipe, so we're going to share this recipe today.
This recipe calls for a lot of fresh ingredients, so be ready. First, you're going to want to prep your ingredients such as your cucumber, your onion, and your tomato. Next, you're going to prep your spinach and or lettuce, and then your green chili pepper. Then you're going to need 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of mustard. This can be of any sort, either honey or even spicy brown mustard. Next, you're going to add in your Chaat masala, your Tandoori masala, your red chili powder, and go ahead and mix that thoroughly. Then you're going to mix your masalas for the top of your sandwich. First, you're going to start with some salt, some red chili powder, and once again, the chaat masala. And once again, mix this thoroughly and you'll be all set. Once your skillet's hot, go ahead and butter up that bread and put the butter face down. And then you're going to make your homemade sauce and put that on first. Next up comes that layered cheese, and you can use any cheese that you prefer. Then you're going to lay your onions out, your tomatoes, and then we're going to put another layer of bread and more sauce. Then you're going to add your green chili peppers, your cucumbers, and then your spinach to top it off. And then you're going to go ahead and put another slice of bread, and don't forget to butter that up because you'll be flipping it soon. So go ahead and put that masala on top. Once that bottom's got nice golden brown, go ahead and flip it and add a little bit more masala on top. Once the other side is nice golden brown, go ahead and put it on a plate and serve it. Trust me, you will not regret trying this recipe. Both my husband and I love this recipe, and it's probably going to become a staple in our household now. Thanks again for watching our video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more I Am Naidu's Time for Food. Now stay tuned and watch Loki as he watches me around the kitchen.
You want all that food?